course with Manitoba Start. It's an organization that helps newcomers to get started with their lives in Manitoba. So I heard they had a course, though I was a little bit late, but I enrolled and luckily I was given a position. There are lots of things that stood out for me, but one thing I'm gonna remember for long is that we learned about different types of personalities. And instead of viewing people as difficult at work, we learn to view them as different, appreciate the diversity, and we have to have an inclusive mindset where we can work with all people, still respecting them, and thrive in a workplace culture that encourages you to be you, but still respect others' diversity. Yes, and Canada is a melting point of culture, so that is a good plus for me.
I really like socializing in groups. It's also pretty comfortable because you're just working with other women too, so they understand. And then we get into deeper thoughts and stuff, and then we start supporting each other. That's my favorite part.
It really is the people who are in charge of shaping and molding the stories that are told on screen are very often men. And so I do wonder what stories are we missing? And so I felt like this was kind of like my first step into the journey behind the camera. I would say people who are maybe needing a little help with those just getting into work and then wanting to get maybe dip their toes into it and figure out what the film industry is like. It is a good program. But it won't end there. You're gonna have to keep putting that work in afterwards.
Personally, I'm a single mom, so I have 2 daughters. I was trying to figure out how to get back into the workforce because I've been a stay-at-home mom for so long that I was like, if you just apply for regular jobs, that doesn't really get you as far. So I was like, okay. So then I went over to Opportunities for Employment and I asked them, and then I was put in the Single Parents Employment Program. They actually recommended me to here, and then I started here in November, and it's been great. Get into this program if you have the time and energy, and honestly, it'll brighten your future and make it a lot better. Trust me, there's so many opportunities out there and they need people. So it's just great to know that after this, you're basically on the work field to make sure that your dreams do come true. So it's great.